last year, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, it should come on the screen now, but don't watch it now, watch it later. Last year I went and visited every single railway station. Sorry, every single London railway station. The word London or international in its name. And I did it in one day. Now I'm back with visiting all 6 airports. Because I'm from Hampshire. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. Part 2's tomorrow, so tune in then. Today is Heathrow, Luton Airport, Gatwick Airport. It's obviously been really sunny, but it's got water droplets on the windows. Has it been through the train wash or something?
This is the train to Heathrow Terminal 5. Next station, Heathrow Terminal 5.
I haven't actually been on the dial for a very long time.
Next station. For the safety and convenience of the baggage, please use the lifts to the terminal areas. Please have your tickets ready for the automatic ticket barriers. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
You're going to be going on my favourite buses. I think the staff only bendy buses.
I don't really use them, to be honest.
Oh right. When I came here and I thought, yes, I'll be able to tick off Heathrow's bendy bus. No, I can't. Damn you, staff. You know the drill when I ticked off every single London and international railway station. I went tick. Well, with this one I was go Heathrow Terminal 5, tick. Terminals 2 and 3, tick. Oh. Heathrow Terminal 4, tick.
Canary Wharf.
I'm just going to straight out and go
This train
and stay
terminates
with
at
it.
Brighton.
Luton Airport
We will
Parkway,
be calling at
tick.
Harpenden, St Albans.
Gatwick Airport, tick. Join me tomorrow for Stansted, Southend and City. Whew.
On the 1509 Southern service to Southampton Central and Bognor Regis.
Oh, God.
Also to Three Bridges, Crawley and Horsham, where the train divides. Passengers for Barnet, Chichester, Southport, Enniston, Hammond, Cobham, Portchester, Mary, Swanwick and Southampton Central should travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. Passengers for Christ's Hospital, Billingshurst, Pulborough, Amberley, Arundel, Ford, Barnum and Bognor Regis should travel in the rear 4 coaches of the train.
Please note, some of the lifts at
Three Bridges.
please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.
Some service to Southampton Central. Join me tomorrow for the next 3 Londonish airports. So, goodbye.